Hello, my YouTube family. It's your girl Yolanda, and I'm back with you again with another video. But this time, it's going to be on a skin care routine that I do before I apply my makeup and before I go to bed. So if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome. If it's not, welcome back again. I am glad to see you back. And so today, like I said, I'm gonna talk about my skincare routine that I do before I apply my makeup and before I go to bed. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I have this wonderful product, and it's all natural products that I will be showing you guys today. It is Innisfree. It is Innisfree Olive Real Cleansing Foam. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope so. Innisfree Olive Real Cleansing Foam. This is so wonderful. It cleanses your skin so good. And if you feel your skin after you use it, you're not going to believe it. Because one of my friends, when my roommate told me about this product, because I live in China and I'm an English teacher in China, and I needed something for my skin because I was tired of my skin being so dry because I have dry skin, and I have tried so many products, and it just like nothing was not working for me, and I just got frustrated. So she told me about this product, and I tried it, and I have fell in love. I tell you guys, I am not joking with you. I am not trying to have you guys to buy it or anything, but this is a product that I love, and I am sticking with it. So first thing I do, I apply my Olive Real Cleansing Foam on my face. So let's go ahead and get with it. Let me turn my water on because I do conserve water. So all you need is just a little drop. Oh, wait a minute. Little drop. And just like this, that's enough right there. And I just wet my face. You turn my water off. And I just put this foaming cream on my face and lather it up. Lather it up. And it's wonderful, guys. I'm not joking. It is so wonderful. It is all natural product for any type of skin. Any type of skin, dry, oily, combination, whatever you have. I just love it. So I'm just going to lather that in real quick. And it don't take long because it cleanses your skin really, really good. Really good. Okay. So you see how it lathers up really good. Just need a little bit, just a little. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. I can tell it is wonderful. I don't rub my skin, I pat my skin when I'm applying any of these moisturizing products on my face. Okay, so next thing I have is my Innisfree Green Tea Cleansing Water. Oh, it is wonderful, guys. Wonderful. I love it also. You just need 2 little squirts of this. Let me get my cloth here. I use these cloths right here, and this is what it looked like on the top. All you do is just press down on it. Saturate your little cloth here and just rub it on your face. And it moves the dirt from off your face. What you didn't get from the cleansing foam, it takes the cake for the rest of it. It does the rest of it for you. Okay. See? Let me show you. That's a little product left. And I go in twice on mine. So I'm going to do it again. Like I say, just squeeze the top of it. You don't need a lot. It's wonderful. And all these products are all natural. And it's from the, it has olive oil green tea in it. And it comes from that Cretan Island. Okay. Now I let that dry. Let me just fan my face. Fan, 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 fan. It don't take long to dry. Does not take long to dry your face. Next product I use is the Innisfree, the green tea sea serum. All this stuff is from green tea, olive oil from Cretan Island. So this is like this. I like the applicator thing, spray little like bottle. All you need to do is push twice, and that is it. Rub it around on your hand, and you pat your face. Don't rub, just pat. You pat to get the blood circulating in your face. You don't have to pat hard either. You do not have to pat hard. And I do get around my neck. Also because I do apply makeup, but today we're not applying makeup, but I'm still going to get around my neck. So that is good around my eyes, around my nose, because I get oily in certain patches on my face. We fan that also. And it doesn't take long to dry. Not at all. So the next thing I will use is my green tea balancing lotion, also from Innisfree. It is enriched with squeezed green tea from the pure Juju Island. So I shake it up well. Shake it up well. And you don't need a lot of this either, because all this product go a long way. And I have been using these products for like 6 months now. And I love it. I'm not even going to change my routine moisturizing regimen at all. So you do this here. You just use a little bit. That's all you need. You don't need no more than that. No more than that. And you rub your hand together and you apply it on your face. The same way you did everything else. Just apply it on your face. Oh. And it has your face so freaking smooth. So smooth. I get around my nose real good. Okay. Because I get dry around my nose, here, and my chin. You know, sometimes I see I'm breaking out above my eye, on top of my eye here, but it's healing up now. It's healing up. My next thing that I use is, I know everybody know about this, and I love it also. Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. I use that also on my face. I really don't have to, but I just want to give myself a little bit more moisturizer when I'm applying, you know, my makeup and stuff. Because I do, like I said, I am a dry person. You don't need a lot of that either. Same way you did everything else, you do the same way. The same way. Guys, you will definitely love this product if you want to try it out. And I'm not selling, I'm not advertising this products for the company or anything. This is just a routine that I love to do for my dry skin, because I am a dry skin person. But like I said, it can be used for any type of skin, any type of skin. So I'm done moisturizing my face and everything. So that is my routine that I do. Now, before I go to bed at nighttime, I also use this. It is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Really, really freaking good. Really good. It takes out any junk that you have in your face. And also you can use it under your arms. You can use this for a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff for your body. So if you guys want to get this, it's also good. But I will list in the description box below the products that I have here. And I would also put the price on it also of the products, because I bought them from here in China, so I know it's going to be different price range. So, but that is my routine that I do, guys. I live by it every morning, every night. And you know, this stuff lasts, your face stays moisturized all day long, all day long. And when you apply your makeup, oh my gosh, it's just wonderful. It's wonderful. I love it. So I thank you for watching my video. You guys take care. And please subscribe and comment below if you have used this product before, the Innisfree or any of the products that I am commenting on. Comment below, like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button if you want any more notifications come through from me, because I am going to be doing more videos be coming your way. So this is not the last time you see me. So you guys take care, and I love you, and be safe out there, and you have a blessed day. Goodbye.